Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix this message might take a while error on Facebook Messenger. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all, make sure you update it to the latest version of your OS software on your phone. So if you're on an iPhone device, just go to General in Settings and then just click on Software Update and make sure your phone is updated to the latest version of the OS available for your phone. Make sure to do the same on an Android phone as well. So once you have done that, the second step is to restart your phone. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is just go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store and I'm just gonna wait for it to load. And now just search for Messenger here. And then just once it loads, I'm just gonna wait for it to load. And then just click on Messenger and make sure it's updated to the latest version. So yeah guys, this should fix your problem. If it still doesn't fix your error, you should try contacting Meta support and they should fix your problem within 24 hours. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.